Hey there! Welcome to Modern English Vibes, your ultimate space to learn modern English, speak confidently, and vibe with the coolest phrases.
Sarah, what on earth is going on with how people talk these days? Someone just texted me, "That's lit, fam," and I thought they were talking about a campfire.
Oh, Emma, you're hilarious. Lit means something exciting or cool, and fam is short for family, like close friends. Don't worry, I'll help you out. Let's start with some phrases you can use daily without feeling like a time traveler from the 1800s.
Please do. I need to survive these modern conversations.
Madam, order, please.
Can I, get, coffee?
Emma, try this. Hi, I'd like a latte, please. See how it sounds smoother? It's polite, and the barista won't think you're panicking.
Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
Coming right up.
Okay, but what if someone texts me something weird again? Like, I got a message saying, "BRB, I'm ghosting." Should I be worried?
BRB means be right back, and ghosting doesn't mean they've turned into a ghost. It just means they're avoiding someone. But you don't have to worry about slang and texts right now. Let's focus on phrases you'll actually say out loud.
Okay, hit me with some phrases I can use today.
First up, when you meet someone, don't just say, "Hi." Instead, try, "Good morning? How's it going?" It's friendlier and starts a real conversation.
Got it. What's next?
When suggesting something, say, "How about pizza for lunch?" instead of, "Let's eat pizza." It sounds more chill and polite.
Oh, I'll use that for our next lunch debate. What do I say?
Easy. Just say, "No worries." It happens. It keeps the situation light and friendly.
No worries. It happens. Wow, that worked. What else you got?
Let's do a rapid-fire round. Here are 5 more phrases you can use right away. 1. When you don't understand something, say, "I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?" 2. When someone helps you, say, "Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it." 3. When ending a chat, say, "It was nice talking to you. See you soon." 4. When asking for clarification, say, "Could you explain that in simpler terms?" 5. When agreeing politely, say, "That sounds great. Let's do it."
You're a lifesaver, Sarah. I'm going to ace this modern English thing.
Practice these phrases every day, Emma, and soon you'll sound like a natural. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about connection.
Thanks, Sarah. And what's TFW? Someone just sent me that.
That feeling when you realize you've got a lot to learn.
If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy English tips. See you in the next video.